Good evening to my dear lecturer. My name is Isaac Jabrach Lutz. Today I would like to reveal and teach you all the voicings for the song called As Time Goes By. So today we're going to learn about all the voicings together with the chords, because we see there's voicing 2, we follow the voicing 251 and inversion 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to teach you and I'm going to reveal to you the chords which we are going to use for all the chords, each and every chords. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video. To the chords discussion, which is As Time Goes By Herman Hupfield. This song is in 4/4 time signature. As we see, there's many chords which is in this song, which may sound and look like a very complicating one, but if we really understand voicing 251 and the so the first chord, let's jump into the chords. The first chord we see in this song is that F minor 7. All right, this song is in a ballad uh, music form, which is in a ballad beat. All right, and the first chord is F minor 7. F minor 7, I've written for you through the whole song, all the voicings together with it in this chart over here. We can see F minor 7 is E flat, G, A flat, and C. You can even try playing it and see whether how does it sounds like. All right, the second chord we see in the same, which is the first bar, which is B flat 7, B flat 7, D3. All right, D3, which means that it shows that the note 3, it's just the beginning, so I'm teaching you one by one step ahead. D, G, A flat, and C. All right, if we look at the next note, next chord, which is bar 2, is B flat minor 6, which is D flat, F, G, and C. All right, D flat, F, G, and C. All right, if we continue seeing, we have B flat minor 6, and then B flat 7. It's the same thing as the one I taught you over here, which because it will be much more easier for us to change the key from this position to another, because it's gonna go and come back and goes back to the same position. B flat 7, B flat minor 7, 6, and B flat 7 again. So it will be much more easier if we stick to the chords, right? All right, over here, bar 3, we see E flat 6. E flat 6, you can see over here, E flat 6, C, F, G, B flat, which is the fifth note as a B flat. All right, over here we can see B flat, C, F, G, B flat. All right, let's continue. Over here we can see in a bracket, if we have the real score, it has in a bracket, it plays as F minor 7. All right, F minor 7. All right, F minor 7, which is E flat. Over here we can see, I'm pointing my pen over here, E flat, G, A flat, and C. All right, it is more of a inversion 2 for F minor 7. All right, as we continue, we have F sharp degree 7, which is E flat. All right, and we have G flat, A, and C. All right, so if you're with me, you can take a note, take your paper, take your pen and paper, and just note it down as I'm teaching you, as I'm revealing the chords, the voicings. All right, if we continue seeing, we have G minus 7. G minus 7 plays a role of F, all right, as a seventh note, A as a third note, B flat as a fifth note, and a D as a ninth note. All right, if you're with me, you will understand. Let's continue looking at the other chord, which is bar 4, which we just completed bar 4. We're going to go to the bar 5, which is F7, F major 7, which is F, all right, F, A, C, and E flat. All right, F major 7. We continue, which we are going to bar 6, F minus 7, it's the same thing again. Alright, we don't want to make it very obvious in changing the chords. So it's going to be F7, which is E flat, G, A flat, and C. Okay, the next chord in bar 6 as well, we are still in bar 6. Bar 6, the next chord which will be B flat 7. So it's going to be D flat, G, the notes, D flat, G, A flat, and C. This is what I'm going to teach you about the voicing. This is voicing 3. Alright, there's voicing 1, voicing 2, and voicing 3. Over here, if we see this chord is in voicing 3. Because we see in voicing 3, obviously, the root note is not there. The root note, it won't be there. But then it's close to the root note, which is B flat. Alright, B flat and C. If we see closely, B flat, but it goes to A flat and G, D flat, G, A flat, and C. Voicing 3. Alright, let's see over here. The next chord in bar 7. In bar 7, if we see, we will find E flat major 7. Okay, stick with me. D flat, F, G, B flat is a voicing 2. Alright, is a voicing 2. Alright, this is an inversion which shows, but it doesn't consist of any root note. If you see, most of the chords doesn't consist of root note, but it's close to the root note. Alright, if we continue seeing F7, which we can find in bar 8, which is F minor 7. This minus equals to minor. Alright, F minor 7, same as the old one. So I hope I don't need to explain this again, which is the same as the old one, which is E flat, G, A flat, and C. B flat 7, same as the old one as well, which is B flat major 7. It's a major. So D flat, G, A flat, C is a voicing 3. Alright, if we continue seeing, we was in bar 8, and if we continue seeing in bar 9, E flat 6, we find E flat 6. E flat 6 is C, F, G, and B flat. C, F, G, and B flat. Sounds like a B flat 6. Alright, the nearest chord we can see is F to E. Alright, so if we continue seeing in bar 9, in bar 10, sorry, in bar 10 we see B flat minor 7. Okay, B flat minor 7, I've already taught you this. So but still I'm gonna go through this on you, which is B flat. All this while we have been learning which is a major, now it's a minor. B flat minor 7, D flat as the third note, G as the 13th note. So hope you know how to find the 13th note as you count one by one, a semitone at a time. And B flat 7 as the 7th note, B flat as the 7th note. It's not a B flat 7, but it's a B flat as the 7th note, and C as the 9th note. If you see, I've written a 9th note, voicing 3, and it is used as an inversion 2, the second inversion. Alright, if you continue seeing in bar 11, still in bar 10, sorry, still in bar 10, but then there's another note which is E flat 7. E flat 7, which consists of D flat as the 7th note, F as a 9th note, G as a 3rd note, and B flat as a 5th note over here, if you see, as a 5th note. But these numbers over here, the 7, 9, 3, and 5, it shows the kind of inversion that we are using. So this is in inversion 2, voicing 2 and inversion 1. Voicing 2 and inversion 1. Alright, let's continue. In bar 11, there's only one chord, which is A flat major 7. A flat major 7, which is known as E flat, G flat, B flat, and C all together. Alright, and if you continue seeing, it's in voicing 2. Alright, C7, C major 7. C major 7 consists of E, A, B flat, and C, which is 3 as E, 3rd note, A as the 13th note, B flat as the 7th note, C as the 9th note, voicing 3. F minor, let's continue. We have F minor in bar 13. We can see E flat 7, G9, A flat, C5, as voicing 2 and inversion 1. These numbers over the small one, the 7, 9, 3, sorry, 5, 3 and 5 are only those numbers which shows the notes. It's not an B flat 7. I repeat again, it's not a B flat 7, but since I've written down, that means it's the number of note, the countings. All right. A degree, we find an A degree over here, which consists of E flat, G, A, and C. Voicing 1, inversion 2. C minor, which is E flat, A, B flat, D. Voicing 3, inversion 3. If we look at A flat 7, same, it's the same I've already taught you earlier, so I'm not going to go through that. A flat major 7, F7, F7 we have already been through, so I'm not going to go through again. B flat 7, all right, B flat 7, I'm not going to go through again. So because I've already taught you, if you want, you can reverse back this videos and reverse back this video, and you can find that I've already taught you this thing. And B flat degree, so this B flat degree is something new we find in this whole score. So let's look at that, which is D flat as a third note, G as the 13th note, A flat as the 7th note, and C as the 9th note. All right, B flat degree, we just play a B flat but in a different voicing, in a different inversion. All right, B flat 7 we have already been through. F minor 7, it's the same one as the old one, and B flat 7, it's the same as the old one. If you continue seeing throughout the song, if you continue, you find the same chords coming again and again. All right, but towards the end we find there's a D flat 7, which is something new. D flat 7, it's a very new chord, and if we see, it consists of C, E flat, F, and A flat, which is a voicing 3 and inversion 2. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you understand the video which I'm revealing the chords and telling you in what voicing is it and how does it works and all. So try these chords, and if you can, just improvise more into different voicings and different inversions if you understand. All right, thank you. That's all for today. Thank you so much.